everyone, Richart here. Just testing out the DJI Action 2, and I'm driving now, heading home, and look at the sunset. So I want to check out the dynamic range. How does it look like here? And how does the audio sound like? Hopefully the audio is clear because you have the road noise from the car. And I didn't turn on my radio, so you can hear me talk. And because of the Action 2 being vertical, I have to mount it vertical. Currently is standing straight up with the battery pack at the bottom into the magnetic mount. And because it's so high, it's shaking left and right even with the magnetic mount because of the vertical center gravity. If you use it horizontal like Osmo Action, you'll get less of that wobbling. So that's the drawback of putting things in a vertical format. Wow, beautiful sunset. I would like to grab a photo of this. Let me switch to photo and grab a photo of this. So I took some photos. Hopefully the dynamic range is good. I'll come out, show it in the video. And currently stuck in a traffic jam. It's common because today is considered okay. It's not so bad. If not, you'll be up all the way to the bridge and I won't be moving because it's a traffic jam there. Once we get on the highway, we'll try to catch the sunset because every evening the sunset is beautiful. Just that I only have the Dashcam and it doesn't get nice photos and videos. So let's try it out with the Action 2 and get a beautiful sunset that we can show you in the video. So it's good. It's a very hot day. It has been very, very hot. Probably the solar flares from the sun, right? But that's a good thing is hot days give beautiful sunsets. So let's look at the orange sunset that we have now. Okay, it's spectacular. Will be a spectacular sunset. I hope the sun is still at the horizon when I reach the bridge. This bridge that I'm heading to is where normally I get to see the beautiful sunset because it's right up above ground level. It's a bridge, and it does point towards the where all the sunset is, action is happening, and you get beautiful clouds and skies. So hopefully we'll go get to see that today. And if you see a lot of scratch and dents on my windscreen, that's because it's an old car. And I love this car. I've been using it for a long while, and that's why you get all these dents and scratches on the windscreen. So it's an old car. So if you want to chip in and help me out, do drop some tips on my PayPal if you are generous. But do give me a thumbs up and like is more than sufficient. And do share the videos with your friends if they like to look at the Action 2, DJI Action 2. So hopefully they will like it and probably buy from the links that I leave down below. Currently there's no affiliate link for this. It's just a link to the distributor that's selling this unit that I bought from. So it's not an affiliate link and I don't get a cut from it. So if there is an affiliate link later on, I'll just put it in the video as well. That one I'll get it from Lazada, because if I have a Lazada link and then if you click on it and then Google will spare some change for me, and if you purchase from the Lazada link, then inflation is everywhere, so it's tough being a creator, especially if you're in the Asian country. Everything, the exchange rate times to USD is tremendously high, so we have to live by with that means, no choice. But being a creator, you have to keep on creating, and hopefully one day you become big enough that people do want to send you stuff. Currently I have to get it myself, so hopefully DJI will one day send me stuff to review. So we're gonna reach the bridge soon, and hopefully we can get a beautiful sunset. Okay, we're gonna reach there soon, and you can see it's a beautiful, beautiful orange golden sunset. So I'll try to see if I can grab a few photos before at the bridge and share it. Here we have it. You can see beautiful orange sunset, and I'm hoping that this new sensor will give a better dynamic range than the previous Osmo Action, and let's capture some beautiful sunset here. And yes, we're gonna reach the bridge. This is where we turn off, and at the peak here you get to see the nice sunset. And look at that beautiful sunset that's pointing straight to my eyes, and I have to make sure I keep an eye on the road. Look at that sunset just right on the horizon of this bridge. And I get to see this every day unless it rains, then I'll see the dark sky. But today is a beautiful day. I get to see a beautiful sunset. I hope you guys enjoy it, and the video will come out nice. Currently I'm shooting at 4K, 60 frames per second, and hopefully it's not vibrating too much, because the Dashcam, I call it a Dashcam, right? It says Action 2, DJI Action 2. Okay, it's not a Dashcam because I mounted on my dash and it just rolled off my tongue as a Dashcam. So this is how it looks like, and then we will try to catch the next sunset, which is further up, and we'll show you that one. Okay, we're coming up to the next scene. The first one you saw was a bridge where we turned down. That's where the nice sunset will be, and this will be the second time you get to look at the sunset. And this one is unobstructed. It's coming to a toll, and you can get a clear shot of the sky. So beautiful, beautiful day. I'm so glad I came back at this time, and I hope that I managed to share this with you all, and you all will enjoy it and enjoy such a lovely day. Look at that, right down to the toll, and the sunset is on my left, and you have beautiful skies, orange on the left, blue on the right, and that's how it looks like. We need to pass this toll and make a rush for it. Don't mind my engine sound, it's an old engine. And that's the sunset. So I hope you all like this. do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe for my next video. This is just a quick look on using the DJI Action 2 on the dash as a dash cam, and hopefully the audio and photos and video come out nice and you guys enjoy it. So have a nice day. I'll see you. Bye.